everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Niki for those of you who don't know me. So today in Cyprus it is raining and it is cold and yeah, it's just horrible weather. I hate winter. So I decided to make goulash, and I found this recipe book from my yaya from Greece, my grandmother from Greece, and in this recipe book there is a goulash recipe. It is from 1959, so it is not in grams or kilos or pounds or anything like that. It's in oka and dramia, so it's going to be quite interesting to do the conversion on that. This is going to be made with beef. Surely you can do it with whatever meat you want, even a vegan one if you want. Actually I should do a recipe on a vegan one on my next video. And instead of serving it with potato or rice or anything like that, I decided to serve it with polenta. Now the only polenta I found is this organic polenta in the organic section. I don't know why I couldn't find in the normal section. Anyway, so yes, we're gonna try this goulash and polenta. So please don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for future videos, and let's get started on this goulash. So we have beef. This is flank steak, as my butcher didn't have chuck, so normally it's made with chuck, but I had to get flank steak. The polenta, salt, pepper, butter, water, tomatoes, or you could use 1 tin of tomato, 2 tablespoons of sweet paprika, which I thought was unusual, but that's what the recipe calls for, and onions. To a cast iron pot or any pot you have at home, I added in the butter. To that I added in the chopped onions. Beware of crying. Gave that a good mix. And to the chopped onions I added the sweet paprika. Gave that a mix and cooked it for about 5 minutes. To that I added the beef. Cover the beef and cook it for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes I added in the chopped tomatoes. Sorry. Gave that a good mix and added in the water, salt, and ground black pepper. Give it a mix, cover it, and leave it on the stove for 1 hour and 30 minutes. You can check it at intervals on medium heat. And this is the end result. Yummy, delicious goulash. Now in another pot I added the water. And when you start seeing the small bubbles, I added in the polenta. And just keep mixing. Mix and mix and mix until you see it becoming thick and having those bigger bubbles. And keep mixing until it is a thick consistency. I added in the salt now, as I forgot to add it
in the water, and still keep mixing, and this is what it should look like. Cover and set it aside. Place your goulash into your serving dish. And this is what the polenta should look like. And I took 2 tablespoons to make a quenelle. And place them onto the goulash. It just makes a nice design, and it is easy, and polenta was delicious. Put parsley for garnish, and there you go.
My thoughts on this recipe, well, it was very good. It took 2 hours. I know it's a stew and it takes long. The flank steak was, to my surprise, very nice, because normally I use chuck, but the flank was very, very good. So I recommend trying it if there is no chuck. The polenta was amazing. It went very well with the goulash. It's a nice change from rice or potatoes. So I really recommend trying the polenta with the goulash. So I'm definitely going to try some more recipes from here. If you guys are interested in seeing what else is in this book, it has from my Niki cooking and Plastiki, which is 2 sweets as well, which we'll do. So if you want to see more videos from this recipe book, please comment down below, and please don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for future videos, and be kind to one another. It doesn't hurt. So have a good day, have a good evening, and speak to you again. Thank you for watching. Bye.